Hi, it's Mike with AskTractorMike.com. Well, as we record this, I'm getting ready to go on vacation. But as I post this, I'm back from vacation, Lord willing. And this is my daughter, Reagan, and she is watching our place while we're going on vacation. And again, as you see this, I'm back from vacation because I'm not going to tell my subscribers that I'm going on vacation and leave Reagan here at home. So we're back now, if we made it. So anyway, we're going to go see the Grand Canyon for the first time. Reagan is going to be watching the place while we're gone, and today we're going to talk about she's going to have to feed some round bales because we're dry. The horses need food, and so we're going to see how much. We've done another video where she got to move round bales around for the first time, but that was like, 6 months, maybe a year ago.
Yeah.
We're going to see how much she remembers, and this will give you a little guide if somebody's ever watching your place while you're gone, what to go over with them to make sure they know how to feed your livestock while you're gone. So the first thing, Reagan, we got to go get the tractor.
Okay.
And we got to move some bales. You know where the tractor keys are?
No.
No idea.
No idea.
Okay. Know what the tractor key even looks like?
No.
We have a problem. All right, let's go to the drawer over here. We keep our tractor keys in the junk drawer. Reagan, you want to go ahead and open this? This is the junk drawer. Everybody's got one. Now, do you know which key goes to the tractor? Are you sure?
No. Not what? Oh, wait, no. That's the Massey.
Yeah, and that was easy because it's got the Massey logo on it.
I think this is the tractor. I guess the only way to know for sure is to try it. Or it could be this. That's valet key.
Yep.
I don't think it's that.
Here's the spoiler. You got the right key right there. This is a key for the New Holland, and you just have to remember what it looks like because it doesn't say on it what it goes to. All right, let's go out in the barn and get the tractor. Now, what we're going to do, we've got some round bales in the backyard that have been there since last year. They're last year's round bales, and we're going to feed those out first. Okay, so you're going to go on the north side of the round bale row, and you're going to come in with a bale spike, and the top of it needs to be level, so you just go right in. Then you're going to pick up the bale, and then you've got a little hill to kind of climb.
Am I coming this way?
Well, I would come around this way. We've got a pretty steep hill on the north side of the house and a more gradual hill on the south side. So I would recommend coming in on the south side. And then we're going to, and I probably won't show this in the film, we're just going to take the net wrap off of it. You've done that before. But what she is going to do is position the bale where it needs to go and then lift the round bale ring up with the bale fork and then drop it down. And we'll see how she does. Ready?
Yes.
All right. Hopefully she remembers to lift up the loader arms a little bit so she's not dragging the ground because they were on the ground. Yep, she's got it up in the air. So far, so good. She pushed the one on the backside over a little bit, but that doesn't matter. Just let it down, back out of it. This is the tricky part right here, getting out from away from it. Yeah, that's one way of doing it. I would have tilted it a little bit to get it in. Now we'll get the ring around, kind of centered. And get Reagan out of the barn lot, and we're good.
Hi, Mom and Dad. Hope you guys are having a great time by the pool. I, on the other hand, will be feeding one of these hay bales to the horses because someone has to work around here. And doing it all by my lonesome using Tractor Mike's tips. So hopefully everything goes well. I feel quite prepared to do this. I will say one extra safety precaution I've done is I have texted a friend and asked for them to check in on me, if they don't hear back from me in 15 minutes or so, come over and make sure I haven't rolled the tractor or done anything of that sort. It just gives me peace of mind since I'm going to be alone on a piece of equipment. But yeah, hopefully everything goes well. Wish me luck. If things don't go well, then I'm sure I will get a great piece of content out of it for my dad's channel. Now I want to find a good spot for the hay bale, and let's see. I don't really want it to be in all this vegetation. I also don't want it to be horse poop. So I think I might actually put it in this bare spot over here where we had a bale previously. All the horse poop has been cleaned up and Dad has kind of bush hogged around it. You can see there's some twine in the dirt. We'll get that up so the horses don't ingest anything that they shouldn't on accident. But yeah, I think I'll put it right here, and then I'll move that bale ring over on top of it. You know what? I realize I'm doing this the hard way. I'm just gonna put the bale down, take the spikes off, then get the stuff out the outside. I forgot that's how you do it. Trial and error. Now I'm gonna take all of the kind of mold and stuff that has appeared as it sat in my parents' yard for a long period of time off the outside, because the horses are picky and they won't eat that. So, and it probably wouldn't be good if they did eat that.
Reagan, it's Dad. Lower them forks when you're off the tractor seat. You don't want to get impaled.
We got it placed and the horses are very much so enjoying it. I had to jump up and down from the tractor 50 million times to get the perfect shot, and honestly, half of those shots are probably blurry, so for that I apologize. You'll be back to your regular programming next week with my dad. And Dad, I don't know how you do this every week. I'm genuinely so sweaty underneath this parka. But yeah, I'm thankful for the tractor. It got me outside in the beautiful Ozarks nature to see a gorgeous sunset and spend time with these wonderful animals. So now I'm going to attempt to do my dad's outro from off the top of my head. Don't make fun of me in the comments. I appreciate you watching my video this week. If you want to see more videos like this, consider subscribing, and that way Dad can also afford my fee. If you want to see last week's video, it's somewhere in this area, maybe, or maybe it's over here. And maybe you want to click somewhere around here, the mic face icon, which will take you to the Tractor Fun store where my dad sells unique gifts for the tractor owner. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day. And Mom and Dad, I hope you have a safe trip home from Utah. Bye. Mwah. Okay, Dad doesn't usually do that, but that was my own little added spin. Say bye, Jolie.